Huge shout out to Serena Williams, aka the GOATist. That's what I'm going with, the GOATist. But she's just collaborated with Nike once again for another rendition of collaboration with Virgil and Serena. That's fire. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Seoul area, so please feel free to pull up. I've got a special unboxing look for you guys today. So huge shout out to Serena Williams, who in my personal opinion is one of the best tennis players I've ever seen, period, whether that be male or female. So shouts out to the females out there. But we are gonna take an unboxing look at her limited edition, super limited edition, Air Max 97. So it's the Serena Williams Queen of Queens. It's a collaboration between herself, Nike, and Virgil and the Off-White brand, of course. As you guys have been following the whole Off-White series with Nike, with the Vapor Max, with the Air Max 90s, all these different shoes of the 10. And we have another edition of that here with this Air Max 97. But we're gonna get to the box top here, as you guys can see. Got the Nike swoosh, classic to all of the Off-White releases. The boxes are all very similar, but let's unbox these shoes and let me know what you guys think. I think these shoes are awesome. The Queen of Queens Air Max 97. So as we take a look at the upper here, you'll see it mirrors the original Air Max 97 Off-White, but of course the colorway is different. So we have the mesh overlay here that you guys can see in the toe area and pretty much throughout the entire shoe. In the toe box area, slightly different material. So if you guys are familiar with Nike and their Hyperfuse material, this is more like a Hyperfuse material that we have here, just under the mesh overlay. As we get to the outer panel, you'll have the black swoosh right there. We have the neon green tab hit, which I think is also really dope. We have the Air, which is classic to the original of the 10, Air Max 97. As we get to the midsole though, we have the gradient that runs through the midsole. So it starts off with the gold, which I think is really fire. Then it goes into the purple. And as we get to the back tab, it turns into the pink. And as we transition, as you guys can see, to the inner panel of the shoe, the gradient runs straight through and it mirrors the other side. So we got the gold, purple, and pink on one side. We got the gold, purple, and pink on the outer panel. As we stick to the outer panel, you have the Off-White for Nike. This is pretty much classic now to all Virgil styles that you've seen with Nike. And the Air Max 97, of course, was produced in 1997, we guys got here. So we have a neon green pull tab, which is new for the Virgil silhouettes, but it reads Off-White, Nike, Queen of Queens, New York, circa 2018 zip tie. So you guys can see the neon zip tie right there. Let's get to the tongue area. Has a translucent hit right there in the tongue area that you guys can see. Has the pink tonal laces right there. And also on the tongue, we've got the Nike sportswear with the swoosh. And the right foot pretty much also mirrors the left. As we get to the extra set of laces, we have the gold set right here. And it reads the shoelaces, classic to the Virgil styles and Off-White styles. And once again, shouts out to Serena. So another fun fact, I don't know if you guys know, but Serena Williams is from Compton, California. But this shoe is called the Queen of Queens once again because it was originally slated for the US Open, which is in Queens. And we have another set of laces, the gradient set of laces that I have right here, which pretty much match and mirror the shoes, which you guys can see. But we have the pink, the purple, and the gold throughout these entire laces, and these shoelaces that you guys can read right there. So let's take these laces out, actually, put them to the side, just so you guys can get one look. If you look at the outsole now, full outsole is completely translucent, but it also has the gradient colors throughout the outsole. So you'll see the goldish translucent right here. You'll see the purple translucent right here. And as we get to the back panel, you'll see the pink translucent area here. We've also got the neon swoosh hit right there in the middle. So let's go to the insole. As you guys can see, reads the 10. Of course, the 10 is classic to the original 10 of the Virgil shoes, Virgil Off-White Nike shoes that were released, I want to say last year, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the Queen of Queens, Serena Williams, times Virgil Off-White, times Nike Air Max 97. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. This shoe is a part of a pack. So there's the Air Max 97, there is the Nike Blazer, which is also really dope, but we'll get to those in a little bit. And we also have the Court Flare, if I'm not mistaken. The Court Flare and the Blazer have yet to release, but the Air Max 97s have released, and they are available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan area, so please feel free to pull up. Please make sure you download the new Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Like and share all of our videos on Facebook, on YouTube, and all the different platforms. Make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com for any questions or inquiries that you guys might have regarding anything Stadium Goods. And last but not least, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.